Hello and welcome to our latest breaking news. Kaizer Chiefs have recently exercised the one-year option in Pule Mmodi's contract, ensuring that the winger remains at the club for the 2026-27 campaign. Mmodi enters his fourth season with 𝗕𝗟𝗘𝗙𝗢 after joining the club on a free transfer from 𝗕𝗟𝗢𝗕𝗙. There has been uncertainty over his future after the 33-year-old attacker endured a frustrating season. The Free State winger managed just one goal and one assist in 25 appearances across all competitions. Despite those modest returns, the Soweto Giants have kept faith in the attacker, handing him another season to fight for his place. Since arriving at 𝗕𝗟𝗢𝗕𝗙 in 2023, Mmodi has made 86 appearances for 𝗕𝗟𝗘𝗙𝗢 across all competitions, scoring 10 goals and providing 6 assists. The extension brings clarity to the pacey winger's future after questions were raised over his contractual status following the expiry of his contract at the end of June. The decision explains why Mmodi travelled with the squad to Spain for their pre-season training camp, where new coach Fernando da Cruz is assessing his options ahead of the new campaign. Although Mmodi has been retained, Chiefs' attack could still undergo significant changes before the transfer window closes, with Congolese winger 𝗕𝗟𝗢𝗘𝗙𝗦 attracting strong interest from North African clubs, with 2 clubs already having submitted their offers. Should 𝗕𝗟𝗢𝗘𝗙𝗦 complete a move, Mmodi's experience would provide valuable cover in attack, and the club is expected to continue to reshape its options on the flank. 𝗕𝗟𝗢𝗘𝗦 is poised to play a far more prominent role in his second season at the club, having shown glimpses of his potential in his debut campaign. The former Cape Town Spurs winger is expected to feature more regularly on the left wing under Fernando da Cruz. And we know that Kaizer Chiefs are still pursuing Stellenbosch FC winger 𝗕𝗟𝗢𝗕𝗙𝗢𝗕. Now, let me hear your thoughts. What do you think of Pule Mmodi having his contract extended by a year? Do you think that Chiefs made a good decision? Let me hear your thoughts down below in the comment section. After Manqoba Mngqithi was announced as the head coach of Young Africans, here is what he says. He says, "I know Chiefs did have an interest in me. It's not a lie. But it never reached any fruition because there are people who also blocked these moves. There are people who always find a way to speak negatively about a person. The Chiefs one never even went into a point of terms or position because someone blocked it. It's unfortunate that the person who blocked it, I'm not even worried about it. But it is true, there was interest. Even recently, there was interest." That's Manqoba Mngqithi speaking about the Chiefs move, that Chiefs wanted him, but apparently somebody blocked it. Now, what do you think of what Manqoba Mngqithi is saying, that Chiefs wanted him, but someone blocked it? And then he went on to speak about his role at Young Africans. He says, "It's always exciting. I just wanted to be back in the Champions League space and see what can happen. And an ambitious club that is willing to try and bring some players to make sure that we can achieve our objectives. Very professional setup. That's very encouraging for me. It's something that I've always been looking forward to be back in the Champions League and see how far I can take the East of Africa in the Champions League." Those are the words of Manqoba Mngqithi after being appointed as the new head coach of Young Africans. That's the end of the news. For now, see you next time.